Manually open and close the sunshade by sliding it forward or backwards. The sunshade will open automatically when the moonroof is opened. To operate the power moonroof, place the ignition in the on position. To fully open or close the moonroof, push the open or close side of this switch and release it. You do not need to hold it. To partially open or close the moonroof, push the switch in any direction. When the moonroof has reached the desired position, push the switch once more to stop it. To tilt the moonroof up, first close the moonroof, then push the switch to the up-close position and release it. To tilt it down, push the switch to the down-open position. If you've turned the ignition off and notice the moonroof is open, you still have a period of time in which to close it. However, if either front door is open during that period, power to the moonroof is canceled. If the moonroof does not operate properly, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.